Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change currency here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the currency on your BigCommerce store is a simple process that involves a few steps in your admin settings. Once you are logged in your account, I want you to hover to the on the left side again, go to the settings, and you would notice that there's going to be an option that says currencies right here. Currencies customer will see and be charged in at your store. All I have to do is click the arrow right here, right? It would be forwarded here. If you want to configure what currencies customers will see and be charged in your store, you just click the learn more about currencies. But for now, what we're going to do, if you want to add a new currency, if you want to set up the payment method, that's going to be for a different video. But for now, let's click on the edit. Right now, I'm using the Hong Kong dollar. If you want to put in anything, is say for example, you are welcome to do that. The symbol is this. Placement is on left. 1,000 token, decimal token, and decimal places. If you're happy with it, all I have to do is click on the save button. All right. Now here, click the if you want to allow shoppers to purchase in their currency, you can add multiple currencies to support your store's key markets. You'll be able to set a fixed conversions rate to your default currency or set individual pricings through price list. All right. But for now, let's click on the add new currency. And if you want, just search for all of these currencies that are available for you to use. For example, we're going to be using the GBP or the British pound. Let's click next. And it will be added to your store. All right, so these are going to be your options, and this is going to be the exchange rate. And of course, you can set the exchange rate to auto convert prices and shipping codes for this currency, and you can use the fixed price for that. Click on save. Just wait for it. Sometimes it takes a little while to load. All right, so these are going to be all your option for your currency. And again, if you want to add a new currency, you're always welcome to click on this button right here. If in case you encounter any problems adding or changing your currency here in BigCommerce, just go to the BigCommerce customer support, and from here just click on the get support 24/7. One of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems changing your currency. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.